Hey guys, fall is around the corner and the mornings are getting chillier and chillier and your girl is still losing pounds. With that said, I wanted to share with you my low budget meal plan for the week in which I take advantage of some of the fruits and vegetables that are in season because they're usually cheaper. So I hope you find it helpful and you enjoy the meals.
We are starting off by placing 1 cup of spinach on each container. Next, we're cutting the mango into cubes, and since it's still mango season, you can find mangoes for $1 each, and you only need 1 for the week. Last but not least, add half of a banana. It will serve as a natural sweetener for your smoothie, but it's also great for your hair and skin. Place everything in the freezer so that in the morning you can blend them together. You can make the smoothie with water or milk, it's your choice. I'm using 1 cup of 1% milk over here. It's lunchtime. Lunch is usually my largest meal of the day because it's in the middle of the day. So I've broken my fast and I have plenty of time to burn off the calories. That's why I consume the majority of my calories during lunch. So we're starting with the meat first. You will need 3 chicken breasts cut in half, and for seasoning we will use cumin, paprika, garlic powder, oregano, black pepper, and salt. Make sure that all the seasonings are well mixed with the meat, just like how my little helper is doing it. Then you will place the chicken breast in the air fryer. You might need to separate them into 2 different batches and air fry them at 360 degrees for 15 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, dice up 4 to 5 sweet potatoes while I get to try this magical trick. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season the sweet potato with salt and black pepper to your own liking. Once the chicken is done cooking in the air fryer, take it out and put the sweet potato inside the air fryer to 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. That chicken is looking tasty, and trust me, it's also smelling delicious. We are going to add some stir-fried broccoli to our meal, and here's the trick again. You can add some garlic to your broccoli as well. I tend to like garlic broccoli a lot, that's why I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chopped up garlic. Make sure to place the garlic in the frying pan first so it can cook a little bit and let the aroma come out. Add a pinch of salt and 1/4 cup of water. Place the lid on top so that your broccoli can cook through. Leave the lid on for 10 to 15 minutes until the broccoli is tender. Then take off the lid and continue cooking until the excess water has been dried up. Everything is cooked now, so it's time to assemble. Breakfast and lunch is done, so we're going on to prepping dinner. My evening meals, I've been keeping it pretty simple and light with yogurt and fruit. I'm having melons and papaya because they were on sale. The melons were 2 for $5 and the papaya was $1.57. You can choose any fruit that you want that is in season and also on sale on your local supermarket to help you stay low budget. I'm adding half a cup of yogurt for healthy protein and also to improve gut health for better digestion. I decided to add some almond and chia seed for texture because I like my food to be chewy, and it also serves for extra nutrition. And dinner is served.
There it is, another video for the week, and I hope you enjoy it. And please comment down below of what you think of the content that I've been creating or any tricks or tips that you've been using in your own health journey because we're creating a community. So why not help each other?